come and say, mortgage, they hungry you. So you want use small amber at a small age, make amber can't get debts for head. You not say na debtors, na be people will get mortgage. Kobete. You say na debts. So now you dey beg deposit for amber. Which work amber they work? Okay, if amber don't they work, you still make amber can't get debts. Even single mother no fit begging like this. Kai, I dey shame for Ekobete. My dear, Ekobete, you say deposit for your pikin.
Lady Monica birthday dey come up very soon. Lady Monica come say she need gifts from her lovers. Now the gift, different type of gift wey she wants. At least they go buy one for her. So deposit for Amber mortgage come dey. She talk say she wan buy house for Amber. So if your fans donate money, if na to deposit money for Amber, that's her daughter mortgage, e no bad at all. Na im Lady Lolo Folat say, you say wetin? Make fans donate for you when you dey use mouth take dey condemn mortgage, say mortgage no good, nothing like cash. She write different things, even washing machine, spoon, plate, gold, different things. Then she write make her fans buy for her. I go leave una make we lis ten to Lady Lolo. She analyse the list for this very video. And also make una abeg subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edoblog Gist TV.
Ibia we get Ambrose Ajala. Where the mattress where buy where they do vaga, where you dey find fans. Very soon you go tell fans make they can't do care reconstruction for Ambrose. Kobete, make they buy you pillow, bed. Where you want put any better bed for inside that place where you call house? I just dey ask. Where you want put am? Better bed no fit enter there. How much more mattress? Na gbola wey no reach woman hand, now she dey use mouth spoil. My sister not be smart yo. She so much want brand new car, but Ekobete, you go wait till the kingdom come before you fit buy am. So keep dreaming for it. Not be smart thing. CBR, good morning. Not be smart thing. Oh. I just throw through new mattress. Ekobete, you for send your address. See me, oh. Ekobete, they also mattress, pillow, and bed. We wanted the prepare in fans. Now in France, you want to pepper. No be people who already get them. No be people who work hard to take get them. No be people who don't they sleep for better mattress. My mattress. Wait that thing. This every time I want to measure. I measure how many inches high is the mattress I used to sleep. Not be joke. Even Bobby bed. If you see the height of Bobby mattress, are you kidding me? In fact, all five of us for this house, our mattress no small. If you see our mattress, that's what it mean. Are you kidding me? Yes, I never relax. I come tell you, if I want buy mattress for you, mattress competition come, you know fit show. Mattress competition come, you know fit show. Now you don't they use indirect, they beg fans. May they come buy you mattress. May you take the pepper, may you take pepper yourself. Not be people where work hard, where they enjoy the fruit of their labor. Jesus. The one way can't shock me pass. This woman no shame. He put deposit for Amber mortgage. May I choose God for this one? I go listen. I come and tell you everything. Deposit for Amber mortgage. One person one come talk. He say equity. When I think call Ambrose, may can't tell us the meaning of equity because if I say make money, talk, she no go know. I come and tell. Mortgage they hungry you. So you want use small Amber at a small age, make Amber can't get debts for head. You not say na debtors, na be people will get mortgage. Kobete. You say na debts. So now you dey beg deposit for Amber. Which work Amber they work? Okay, if Amber don't they work, you say make Amber can't get debts. Even single mother no fit begging like this. Kai, I dey shame for Ekobete. My dear, Ekobete, you say deposit for your pikin. I tell you, I don't go buy packet shit for Ambrose. Crayfish. Every time we want show Ambrose, he must carry and go saloon. Una dey see, I dey tell una nothing say I dey lie. I mean, I dey package it in there. I dey package it in there. Or something no yak me canvas. don't cut here. Buy a €5 packet shirt. See, I don't stretch the collar. Oh, EJ, me, gay, on my collar, gay, I'm Brucey. I'm Brucey, be away. Be away, the mommy collar. €5 packet shirt. Hello?
I said, wait, I know you said something. I noticed I hear. You say, they say mortgage.
He said deposit for Amber mortgage. Now say it right now.
Which Amber?
I don't know which one. Maybe now Brucey mean to write, not be Amber. Mortgage. Mortgage.
Like this,
mortgage where say be credit.
Mortgage where they don't explain your mortgage in short to say the advice
in followers.
Not take up.
Lolo, you sure say Ambrose go know the meaning without making use of the dictionary. I don't know. Now somebody now write and put for there say equity mortgage.
Followers say they not do it where
Lolekia do.
Mortgage na debt.
Yes, so 9. It's there for the screen. I read that for my screen. I there right now. It's there my screen, right? It's there.
I don't raise my cap for those other schools. They condemn people. They condemn what you like.
Yes, no.
Big time. Beg and tire. Okay, I beg continue.
All right. May I read the comment where say equity? When they say I come better, they come donate money, make that say this one say for me is cash is better. Gather it together and deposit it for buy to rent property. Investment is better. Buy to rent. So investment, when I not say investment good. This one said that's why I said deposit for Amber mortgage. Deposit is cash as well and can be used as investment. They have enough car already. Again, new one. And this one say Amber mortgage confirm build equity generational wealth investment. So una know mama never tire. Whoa, mama never tire. How do you mean? So una know what it be equity. Bruce, come and tell us the equity of that house owner day now. What I go let you talk. This one say deposit for Amber mortgage. For Amber credit. Mama not say na debt. I come better not tell una say na so in pikin no go do anything credit, say na cash. If a pikin don't they make money na cash. Everything na cash. They know they do credit. I come better not they find for the thought of it alone in her head. That is to show you that this woman, it's a demon from the pit of hell to destroy your destiny and your future. To distract you. If I tell you, I say fire, day, heaven, day, you know, they hear me. Devil, day within us. Not let one assign to your life. Where go destroy your life. This mouth where they see, so they say there is power in the tongue. It go use and destroy and turn your life. This one a person way say na debt be mortgage. No go do like Lolekia. No go put your hand for waiting your hand is like Lolekia. Mortgage na debtor, old debtor, old age debtor. Now they find pikin we want put for mortgage. Want to take advantage of under 20 to 30 mortgage scheme. She want to take advantage. Maybe now waiting they want to be there because they no get. They no get. But pikin no they work. For you to go and take mortgage and deposit, pikin they work. In Pekin, they work. Which work in Pekin they work? I go show now they are so-called company. Even if her fans truly give Amber that deposit, will she maintain the mortgage? She get work. I don't know. Lolo. I think Ekobete want to take advantage. Oh my God, Lolo, you should have put better laughter for that generational wealth comment. That is what you. He said a generational wealth. So we know what he mean for person to get equity and they build and they go. Hey, how these people they look you? How they look you? Cash house. See me or Mama Jennifer. Meaning of equity, the money value of a property or of an interest in a property in excess of claims or lines against it. What is the equity of your property? I asked them one time, they do like say they know they hear English. They do like say they know they hear English. I tell them that I say, for privacy purposes, if I open my own for you, may you see. I know they go find paper where they put on. If they inside my phone, where I tell they see my mortgage app, He just dey there, they look me. I dey see and they grow wobble, 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 wobble. He they grow by the day, nyomo, nyomo, nyomo. He they grow. See, he want to do a better very soon. My equity don't they grow belly. He they grow for every day. They look for there. You don't need to ask anybody, show me or no show me. It is there looking at me, echo better. My equity, they look me and they look. If I wake up in the morning, I'll say, hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing great. I say, fine. I feel good. Now you they beg money for fans. Now you they sit down, they think and say, oh, how I want to carry my life. What are we going to do? You want to still use your picking. You and Ambrose failed woefully after 30 years abroad. Ambrose, they use empty company. They cajole you, they cabo abu you. You they buy 5 pound packet shit. They take the sample Ambrose like bole with the Joffrey. Hey, be una they see them. Amber, J-Boy, Monica. Mona run for Monica and Ambrose. If not, they will destroy you people's life. You see how Monica, your mama, have destroyed Ambrose's life. That is what she will do to you. Don't you ever take anything she tell you. Hey, Amber, let me help you. Don't let her do it for you, Amber. Don't let her. It's for her own selfish pepper them interest. I am telling you, for her own pepper them interest, not for you. Not for you to hide her lose her falling ego. That is what she's doing it for. Ambrose have failed. Common Tire is not registered in Ambrose's name. Empty company, I will show you people now. Empty company is what Ambrose is using to Kabo Abu Ekobete inside house. Empty company. Our company in Europe. In UK, call HMRC. Register your company. Put it there. You have your company. Design it, carry everything, put it there. You have a company stand there. You know they bring shish, you know they bring kobo. If you know say, you know buy. You know they pay no tax, you know they pay no nothing. I go show now. I work for Google just now. Come. If she no gets citizenship, Amber no loan for her in UK. Okay. The fan they crazy. Them go open eye, they carry another person responsibility, waiting them never fit do for themselves. God forbid. Equity means the value of an asset after deducting any debt or obligation against it. Ekobete, come and show us your equity. We want to see it. We want to see it. That's the question. If they can maintain mortgage, they tell you, Ambrose no get work, Ekobete no get work. My lady Lolo, Ekobete no be where they work, where go grant them loan. They work where they go grant them loan to buy house, talk less of her daughter. Them don't match. Lolo, this is to show Ekobete is very jealous of your lifestyle. Without being told. Papa, while I come collect your son before Ekobete destroys, I did say, then if I see Ekobete that was shouting, I buy my house cash now, wants mortgage. Yes, now. Betty, my darling, good morning. Una they see what they show now. Female where. Ekobete, they wish for mortgage and deposit. Hey! Mona no buy. If na 1 room your cash reach you buy more. If na 2 room your cash reach you buy more. If na nene buy more. If na So it is your heart desire. Even the video I post last, did you people hear it? He said her husband converted. They wanted though. She don't want, but she want to. They're desperate for mortgage. Let me tell you people why I think she do this. You know, in her little head, her empty brain, which she knows that people are working for their life. People are planning their life. She's the only one that don't have plan. She don't have anything for her life. She only look at people and tell herself, I want to stay. Let them see me. I'm big. They see you. I'm big. Empty big. Empty big. Now car now say when you bring the document where your picking gets. Then you jump enter. I want to buy more. I want to buy more. Where your picking they work? Can you show us where your daughter they work? We want to see the work where your picking they work. We want to see your picking ready saying they go work. I know you feel plan. You feel just schedule that one. That's my daughter going to work. You feel show us. Hey, them don't swear for Ekobete followers now. Wow. Yes, sir. He go say, hey, see how Lolo they organize in life with the children. Oh God, no. Before he go no, now Lolo go tell us now they pick it up by us. You know, say that devil way they see. They see, but you know they fit touch. Now he be. They see, but you know they fit touch. Now she be. She just here. I tell her that they say, I know they talk too much thing about myself again because now then they run, they come, they take and pass. Now they take and pass. She just here say Lolo pick it up, they work, he don't buy car, register for his name. He don't draw for art. He go say Jesus, he don't buy. You just dey for social media, they beg from January to December. Now, na mortgage. Where Amber they work? Where Amber they work, madam? Where Amber they work? Where Amber from the work, madam? Where you say make you can't take buy house, take come out shame and disgrace for your body. No wonder they say your pikin don't they pass some krukere relationship we get. She can never get what she talked down on in people's life. God will disappoint her. Amen. Without no doubt, she will never get it. She will only be working times 20. She will be dreaming and wanting it, but she will never see it. What she condemn, she will never get. That one is fact. God is not man. She will never get it. She will work hard. It will be a wish. It will be a dream for her. See what your fans they write. This one say, if it were me, I would choose set of gold or new car. So now mama they hungry for new car because no go fit chop car. No go fit chook cash for her haters' eyes every time. Must you live for people? Now pepper haters now they live for. Una no get life. Una no feel live una life. Una enjoy una life. Una say, okay, they do my thing. They all carry grown up women like una. Carry consider. They tell una say, I want to do the thing to pepper my hater. And the hater sit down, they look una. The hater no get plan for their life. The hater no they do anything with themselves. They all day they wait for una. So for una mind, una think say na only person they live for una. Chai, grown up women. Women where you all get children where they look up to them. So now you sit down, they live for another person. Day and night, na hater, none they busy with. So now mama they find brand new car. May they do they buy me car. Yes, sir. Hey, this one say deposit for mortgage. Una they find hey. See, I go better and fans. Mortgage they hungry there. EJ, mortgage what una mama say be debt. Una no get shame just like a better show. Una no get. All of una useless. She never fit maintain herself and Ambrose finish now. Car she want come fit. 1 minute, guys.
Explain for you Echo Bete want to. You think say before you want mortgage your mansion, he run go take council house, come to say don't buy house before you. So and then he go carry that Tokumbo car, that whatever they call her. He gonna say he don't say get new car before you. It is see as your children they go, it is see and say those children very soon, no will say picking the mortgage house. So they run go now, go do mortgage for Amber. So that before these children they want to get their own, it go say now it picking down first mortgage. So people better they live in life now. It live in life now on see what you are doing. Now you be echo better with compare like yes with and it live in life now just to live a very fake life because all the things we get now fake. All the things they talk about. So now the thing that we could they want to do now that you want first make people there whether puppies or which they call. Then mortgage house under the ambassador maybe say before you want your children want to, it go say now you don't first do before you. Now the thing that we try for really fear. Say the way your children they go, they look at say no, these children they will do something.
It Chris.
Yes, now the thing I think what's there now.
No feedback.
You know there's a mad person go come talk.
My God. It be poor at. My goodness. I come better they find mortgage. Ew. Una remember what she talk for that video where I post. He say the contour say he go put money for ground. He can say oh in money. No, in money. When I come better here say you want buy house, you go do down payment. Now so catch am. Say this is small money where they dashing when you work for social media. You know if you use and do down payment. I want to renovate or buy anything where you like put for the house. Now I go better run. Now you run. Now you dey beg money for Amber deposit. Hey, deposit for mortgage. You want put Amber for debt. I just say you be mama footballer, all nothing na cash. Why you want to put Amber for debt? If I been at the German will marry Amber, and I want give Amber money to do down payment. Because they say Amber na Mrs. I don't understand. Mrs. who? Now, wow, my people. I come better you they beg. You don't beg, they feed Ambrose. Beg. Now you they beg, you want to establish Amber. Yeah, you know, Yorio. Oh, is a begging things. Now they ask you now all these things Sabina, which they use. Because all these people wait there. Reinvestment is not car for me. Mortgage. Reinvestment na mortgage. So una not say reinvestment na mortgage. Now in France, I comment am. He say reinvestment is not car. For me, is mortgage. So una know. He go just sit down there, they shout. How una they feel? Una way they listen to them. How una they feel? Now they look and say, "Me see how this woman they fool himself." Oh, madam, shut up now. This one no just join. He may just see the talk another. I no join. Each this one now wow. Anyway, she thank God na fake account I dey. I don't feel they listen to that with my real account too. No. This one a shame on this. I come back and so your fans they talk. Now so they talk to themselves. They'll say, thank God na fake account I dey. Jimmy, na real account I dey. People go see me say they listen to this woman. They talk this rubbish for mouth. Now rubbish be that now. See your fans. See their comments. See their comments. See their comment. My God. Say shame. And then the last one, he said, na cash. They beg money. I know this gold dey your eye. Gold dey your eye. Yeah. Gold dey your eye. Oh my cap. Gold dey your eye. My goodness. I go better want lot of gold. I think I should have a picture of it. Mama mia subito. She want gold like Lolo. She want to have gold like Lolo. That is so sad. So sad, Ekobete. Look at what we have there. Let me see a place where it shows very well. If you see my baby, when you go check him at the bank, I'm gonna get too fine. Baby, wait me find and come. 1 minute. You work for social media, you know if you buy one piece of gold for yourself. One piece, just one. But they say that the one where you work, they buy and be this. You use all the money to feed Ambrose. Kobete. You use all the money to feed Ambrose. You know, even still reach you to buy mattress. No. You know, reach you buy mattress. Now you are begging for mattress. You know, reach you buy washing machine. Now you are begging for washing machine. What a shame. What a shame and what a disgrace. Ekobete. You are begging for washing machine. You are begging for gold. Beggar. At this stage for Europe. After how many years for social media? They beg to take meet up. Chai. What a shame. Okay, that's the gold in there. Yes. Now the gold did the center there. So you see, gold are very expensive now. No better fans they with her now. That means she cannot afford anything by herself, but she is living in Europe. That's it. She can't, as far as she no fit buy things for herself and family, except she begging. She can't. She want upgrade from 1,500 naira bling where she they wear. Wahala no, they finish for a Ekobete body. See, and the gold 9 days inside there. So you see it. Ekobete, that's what you are begging for. So all your time for social media, you know, fit buy one for yourself. Say, oh, now the one I buy for myself, now be this. You know, fit. Now you they beg for fans, where they come buy gold for you. Ekobete. This is what I get. This is what I don't get. My time for social media. May I show you the gold that I take and buy. They can buy gold for myself. This one I dey show you, so now fans now give me. Now my fan and buy and dash me. Okay, now the gold now still there, so. And the gold there. See, and I did my center here, so. This is a gift from my fan. Chai! A gift from a fan, now you the sister. Go better. Now you dey beg. Now you dey even one for yourself. The money where you work, let's say, okay, now you work for social media. Now you won't be this. If me carry the gold, I use my money for social media, take buy enter shop. You know how much we go bring come out? You go bring deposit for house where you dey beg. You know the shame. You work social media money to feed Ambrose, the obewe. Come better. You work for social media, take feed Ambrose. Now you dey come dey beg to take settle your pikin. This is not good though. This one no good though. E no good though. E no good at all. No let year for year. Now them have they beg, begging for good from fans. But that's a shameful thing now. That's a shameful thing. Very, very shameful behavior. Very shameful behavior. The fan picture will show me it is here. You come out for the social media shout where they shout. Now where they pay $3. $3, now they can't pay for video. And you want what you can tell you, no wonder the begging increased this year, including pillow, mattress. All this in fans, now no good though. I know life for no good, now be bad people. So all this way they kill na depression, now free look now they look. Free now they look. Nothing for wire. Go for wire road. Why ma? Now we be say things don't hard. How now one take give us something? No know. I don't know. I don't know how now one take give us something and she dey beg. I beg, give me mattress. I beg, give me this. I beg, give me that. Now mama they beg back and front. This one. I wanna find where for you. Come better. Now wow. I put this on. Now wow, Lolo, you know, say your lifestyle they enter. They go better. Yeah. Now wow. Echo better. All your time for social media. Now you dey beg for pillow. Now you dey beg for plates. Now you dey beg for Now you dey beg for spoon. Echo better they beg for either spoon, plate, pillow, mattress, or bed. You dey beg for social media. This is the list of what you say fans should buy for you. Hey, Aji Nigeria, Baba God, which kind of poverty be this one? They no get na mouth today. Where they for seeing? Lulu bring it, don't suck that one, suck. That one don't dry. That one don't dry. He don't dry. I dey tell you, Lulu don't dry. He don't collect for that one hand. Collect. That one don't dry. Even 500 stars, that one no they see bring again. If they force that one for contribution now, if you took see bring that €50, €100, but they get some shame. No be they send you the one where you did. You and Ambrose, no be person send you a message. May I show now what Ambrose they stay for us, Obewe? May I show now what Ambrose they stay for us? Empty company. We no get chichi for nyash. Hey! I come back now. Wait till the Cabo Abu you name be this. Where everybody for UK get. When we get saga with Olori Bruku Miriam that time, we not see where they go bring Miriam come where they say nothing they said. Moba. I go bring Miriam come they say nothing they say. Okoko Shingon. Now the company where Ambrose say the Cabo Abu Eko better name this. We have company abroad. Now wait till the Cabo Abu Eko better be this. When I look at well. See how much they say. Mama Jennifer, have a lovely day off the work. Oh, I love you so much. Have a blessed day too. Bye. Nice to have you. Now they see the company. And this one, wait till the Kabo Abu Ekobete. Our company where they now remember when they open now, where I can go find and they come back. Now you come they shout, they get company, they go soon to come on got it. And the company within a statement where they do for this year and that. No, don't enter Ekobete house again. Who open door? And Ambrose open door for me. How are you? I'm not going to let that Ekobete house again. I beg, no God choke me with laugh, Amaka. No choke me with laugh. I beg you with my God. No, you get enough bula. I guess you don't get. Awojaja, you get enough. Awojaja big bula. You understand? You don't need that. Amaka want to me say no, don't enter Ekobete house again. Now, very well open door for me. I don't enter Awoyi. I just go there. When they can't for it, they say now so they get company abroad. Now so they get company. Now so they get. Now I say make I go with the company. Come we call Luka. Now I enter there. I swear I knock like this. Now I'm Bruce open door. Now I enter film. Now I enter inside door. Now we are moving. Now you see the company. Our company goes soon to come on garage. Almost everybody in this UK have this thing you are seeing so. Now, Ambrose they go work, they take and they collect. I did not do anything much this month. They go collect what do they call government money. Now Ambrose they collect government money, they sit down for us where they go work over the shot. Ambrose go and work universal credit. Now this one Ambrose they collect universal credit. See how much the total whatever amount. And they say 500. What do they say? What do they buy? What do company they do? You never reach Ambrose they sit down, they introduce the company to people. No, what did they do? Be say inside the Ekobete funds that they look for the way get money. They want Kabo Abu make come be shareholder. When they start to the chopping money, 500 company is that not to full HMRC? Nah. But I don't have anything again now. I think that they see me apply for now again. See company, you know, no show for the issue. Oh no, say I know the lie. I think that they see It's a very soon they go talk to common government. Now this one they collect universal credit where they ask. You know they go anywhere, no they do anything. I'm losing now. If they use this one, the Kabo Abu Ekobete, they collect universal credit for your head. Now they live for government. Maybe it's not making sense to you guys now. Universal credit. Thank you. Okay? Now this one Ambrose they collect universal credit. In a company owner, but company don't have money. They did not make anything this month. They will give them universal credit. Ambrose did there. When universal credit card, they go pay us and pay this, pay that. Now make their council tax that they see at the reducer. Now they make sense now. Now this how they lie. I don't get reason to tell lie to now. I don't get any reason to tell lie. Now make a go better they beg. At least make it the same money smell for nose. Because now Ambrose will get passport. Then they collect universal credit. He open this one, put them for there. Now so universal credit don't suffer. Thank you, CB. Now they tell they collect universal credit where they tell the shop. Ambrose they ask. You get one woman we call that time and for Spain they come. The woman come in, they cry. He say your husband no they work. Now universal credit they use, then they collect. Lord, what you go do? Oh, the man say get company. He need they ask for there. Oh, that's why they distance, so they collect the money. You know, say, okay, what do you they do? You know if you work. He say if you work, if you work, may if you look to them and say if you work to make your marriage work, more no fight, no quarrel. May you find like 2-3 days work where you go see they give you small money for yourself to take the whole body. You go they do because okay, thank you, Lolo. And say go look for work. You go see Ambrose is on council tax deduction. Yes, now. Now evidence at the show now. So when I go check them and say people they live for UK, more check them. Yeah, you know they had to see. Now what did they collector? Now that I advise the woman can say thank you. Now say even 2-3 days job. He said the man no making work because if he work, it go affect the universal credit. Now it's okay. Then work less. Even on 1 day, 2 day, you at least they'll see they give also. Because if you earn plenty, then it go affecting universal credit. But if you work less, at least 1 or 2 days, you'll see they give you small. You go see they collect universal credit. You can say okay. Just like what Ekobete they do so. This part-time where they go few hours, come back. So Ambrose go they get universal credit. Now they see their life. Now that they also fans so get money, maybe they come carry and put for year shareholder collecting money. Now go yeah. Maybe now this one they see they catch Nancy Kabo Abu that day. They use and take rapport Nancy say now so they get business, their company, they register their company, they go show Nancy one side, they don't go show on the other side. That one go to say now so. Hi Zoe, how are you? Good afternoon. They'll show Nancy one side, they don't show on the other side. They say they get company. Look at Ambrose company. Wait till they collect universal credit. I go better. Come and see it. They open this thing 2023. And they go open now. They don't go open now. I go better come see your life for UK train station. Train station now, they come and carry your life from train station. Now wait till they cabo abo go better than me. 500. Now they say, what you they say, what you they do? We get company. What is the company they do? What is they represent? What is your company about? We get company. Almost everybody in the UK, they have this kind of company. They do. I greet you, my darling sister. How are you? Almost all of them get them. Almost everybody for this UK, they get. Some people say during COVID, if you know what they take and shop, not be here. Not be this UK where all of us day. Come on for here. But the legit one way they now go your work. If you have a real business, fine, do your business. Let everything be legit. If you they do all this cabo, when they cash you, now for what did they call her? Old people ask. And you go. In fact, that bread that they give you, government go make sure they share the bread into two. They'll still collect their own, whether you like it or not. You know, go old rich man, you know, pay the credit to the old. That free bread where they see they give you, just the way. Just the way where they give you social for Netherlands, they collect the money where they owe from the social where they give you. Now so it still be for you. Every beleku one they do for you. If you like Ambrose they for which year, they go see they deduct them for money. As long as they see the breach. You understand? Which kind of disgrace be this so? And what is Obewe Ambrose up to these days? He don't come back from rehab or he never still agree to go. He never agreed to go. He see there. They don't wear a packet shirt this morning. He don't they draw the collar as they remove them for packet. They don't wear what they call them, don't they say Kiroba? And they tell you, he don't wear a packet shirt, carry and comment. He don't wear a packet shirt, you don't say don't go shave here. He don't wear, I tell you, if you want carry and call show now, you go buy a packet shirt. You go buy a packet shirt. Yeah, show you see, they arrange the color of the packet shirt. You see, very shameless human being with a crocodile neck. No, I need to get that part of video. See, they arrange. I never see my way useless like this, Sha. I never see my way useless like this, Sha. I never see my way useless like this. I never see Ambrose. Waffle. He useless finish. No, Ambrose useless finish. Ambrose useless finish. Now man where woman they feed now they do this nonsense because man where they work, you know, if you carry and do this nonsense. You know if they can do this nonsense. Wow. What's no? Man where they go work, you know if they can do rubbish like this. No, expired bread. Then go they give them. Now they go chop. Now you go chop. This small one way go see chop. Government go still come up for his side. Must if you and me they tell you. They go cut come out for his side. Now wait till Ambrose stay the cabo abo eko better. Now be that. Now wait till the cabo abo and be that. See una see packet shirt. They arrange the color. You see when I tell you, I say they wear a 5 pound packet shirt. Yeah, you see, Obewe. I'm sure government never know what to do with this useless Obewe Ambrose. Just imagine which man still wear packet shirt. That man no be Esa Namalam from not make him go look for where him come from. You understand? My goodness, I did tell you. Una de see for to come show una. Now you take carry and go shave your head that day. Double and 5 pound packet shirt. See, very shameless human being. They use what they call them? Self-employed. They hold a retired olosho for us. Woman when your husband they work, whether they earn enough to take leave. Sure you go they open your quickos for online for other men to they see. If Ambrose get work, if they earn money, After all you people have done, two of una don't do threesome, una don't sell una gbola and una way for Amsterdam red light. She una go come still come again when I don't get grown up children now still they sell a kiabuhe. Now I don't understand.